Hey everyone, it's David here with Surplus Institute. So lately we've been seeing a lot of checks like the ones that you're seeing up on the screen. This is the latest one that was from one of my students for $21,000 mortgage overage. Calling somebody and just saying, hey, did you know that you have money from this property? The person replies back, no, I don't have money from this property. We reply back, yeah, you do. The property went for over the asking price. So the person's arguing with us, telling us that they lost the property in an auction. I said, no, you were forced to sell the property in the auction, and what you have is called surplus, an overage. And the person's like, really? With your permission, we'd like to work with you and get you paid on this, and we'll get a finder's fee in the process. And we have several checks in the process that we've gotten claimed in the last month, mortgage and tax overages, and unfortunately, these are on the rise with the economy and the defaults and everything. How many of you would like to just go to Florida in the middle of March where it's nice and warm because you're in this cold climate and it's miserable? How many of you would like to go and hear a live Surplus Institute event where we're going to focus on all sorts of unclaimed funds, but primarily tax and mortgage overages, where you could go and you could hear people that have claimed these funds and make over 6 figures a year? But better yet, how many of you would like a hands-on experience where we're going to try to help you find funds, locate them, and locate the owner and work on getting deals before you actually leave this event and get your marketing down? It's true, it's live. You got to click the link, and it's going to be right below this video. There'll be a link. Click it. We would love to see you, and we hope to see you in Orlando. This is in the middle of March. Click it, find out about it, and we'll see you there. Thanks, everyone.